Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to embed a custom code in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to the website you want to embed a custom code on, click on this edit website button. This is my website in Hostinger website builder, and first let's create a blank section to add our custom code on. Add blank section. Now that I have space, how to add or how to embed a custom code in your website in Hostinger website builder? It's simple. Just click on this plus icon or add element and scroll down to the bottom and drag and drop this embed code element just like that. Click on enter code. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger website builder masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. Click on enter code, delete this default code, then add the custom code you want to embed. In my case, I don't have one yet, so I will use the help of ChatGPT. Let's copy this custom code, go back here, paste your custom code just like that, and hit this embed code button. Sometimes your custom code will be displayed automatically. Sometimes it requires to visit your website live. After embedding your custom code, don't forget to hit this update website button to publish your embedded custom code. Click on view site to see the website live. And this is how to embed a custom code in your website in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.